Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dellya Efriyani. I'm come from Sriwijaya State Polytechnic majoring in Electronical Engineering. The 3 Telecommunication Engineering Study Program. I am from class 2TA. Okay, I got an assignment from an English teacher to introduce the tools we usually use in the workshop from practicum. Here, I will explain about electric soldering. The solder has a blue and black color that has pointed edge. I bought 50,000. This electric soldering iron can regulate the heat temperature and is very easy to use. As a minimalist shape to it's easy to use, especially for beginners. One of the functions of an electric soldering iron is to help disassemble or assemble electronic circuit contained on a PCB board. Soldering itself is an electronic device that can convert electrical energy into heat energy. For how the electric soldering iron works itself, that is by plugging the plug at the end of the cable into the socket. Then wait until the tip of the soldering head gets hot. Usually, I use solder to assemble the component on the PCB board. When soldering, you have to be careful so that your hands are not exposed to the head of the solder, which can cause your hands to scald. Alright guys, I think it's about time we parted ways. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.